Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. Now, today in last class we discussed our poem, The Heart of the Tree. Okay, means reading portion we completed. Now today we discuss its word meaning as well as question answers. So everyone open your notebook, fair notebook in which you did hard words. Okay, and start writing with me. Okay. So everyone doing fair only, not in rough notebook. Clear? So start. First of all, we do word meanings. Okay, shift. First, word meaning. Write down the heading, word meaning. First word meaning is what? Shift. First is shift. A narrow vertical passage, a narrow vertical passage for light or air. For light or air. Clear? Next is high. Hanai means near. Okay? Hanai means near. Next is our treble. High piping sound. Next is our flush. Sudden blossoming out. Clear? And our last word meaning is what? Sap. Sap means the juices of plants. What is the meaning of sap? The juices of plants. So these are the five word meanings. Okay. First is shift. A narrow vertical passage for light or air. Clear? A narrow vertical passage for light or air. Hanai means near. Treble means high piping sound. Flush means sudden blossoming out. And sap is what? The juices of plants. Now, next topic is our question answers. So everyone open your notebook and after word file start writing question answers. Now, everyone open notebook and write down question answers. Now, question answers orally. Okay. So, write down question number 1. What is meant by, question 1 is what? What is meant by he plants a tree of plants a friend of, he plants a friend of sun and sky. Sun and sky. What is meant by he plants a friend of sun and sky? Okay. So write down the answer of this. It means three things of different levels. Answer 1 is it means three things of different level. Now what are these three things? Three things of different level, different level. Now write down these three things one by one, okay? Now write down these three things. First is a tree reaches upwards to the sky. If you don't see properly, then listen carefully. I repeat again and again. A tree reaches upwards to the sky and the sun. First point is this, and the sun. Second is it absorbs sunlight. It absorbs sunlight and air. Sunlight and air create chlorophyll that helps it to grow. And third point is what? It refers to the fact that trees help in the formation of rain, which is created by the sun absorbing the moisture from the earth, absorbing the moisture from the earth and forming clouds in the sky, from which rain falls. Therefore the planter is creating a friend of tree and sky. Clear? So listen again, first answer. Listen carefully. What is meant by he plants a friend of sun and sky? It means three things of different level. If you don't see properly, listen carefully. A tree reaches upwards to the sky and the sun. It absorbs sunlight and air and create chlorophyll that helps it to grow. And it refers to the fact that trees help in the formation of rain, which is created by the sun absorbing the moisture from the earth and forming clouds in the sky from which rain falls. Therefore, the planter is creating a friend of tree and sky. Is that clear? Therefore, the planter is creating a friend of tree and sky. Next, This is question number 1. Now next is question number 2. Now question number 2, write down fast. Question 2 is, do you think that trees form an integral part of nature? Explain with reference to the first stanza. Explain to the first stanza. Reference to the first stanza. So answer is what? Yes, trees form an integral part of nature. In the first stanza, the poet refers to trees as friends of the sky and the sun. The bridge and the birds. That nest in the trees. The shaft that goes into the soil, and rises upwards, and he refers to the growth, and harmony, all of which are part of nature. Clear? Question number 3 is what? How do trees help mankind? Answer is, trees help mankind not only by giving shade, fruits, timber, and medicine. They provide a habitat for birds and animals. Supply oxygen to the environment, to the environment and help in the formation of rain. And help in the formation of rain. And help in the formation of rain. If you not see properly, third question, listen carefully, answer. Trees help mankind not only by giving shade, fruits, timber and medicine, they provide a habitat for birds and animals, supply oxygen to the environment and help in the formation of rain. Clear? So, this is the third answer. Now, next question number 4th. Question number 4th, write down. How does planting a tree express the thought of civic good? Thought of civic good. Now, answer number 4th is planting a tree is not something from which we get an immediate reward or return, because it takes time to growth. Planting a tree is not something from which we get an immediate reward or return, because it takes time to growth. The person who plants it is doing so as a good citizen, thinking of the future benefit, the tree will provide which is the civic good. So this is your 4th answer. 5th question is what? The joy that unborn eyes shall see, what does the poet mean by these words? Answer is the poet means that when a tree is planted, many of the people who will benefit from it have not even been born and thinks of the joy it will bring to those people. This is fifth question. Now, answer 6 you write, you in note, answer 6 you take in book only. See the benefits of planting a tree. Answer 6th is see the benefit of planting, take the correct option, the benefit of planting a tree. Clear? Now, next, write down question B, pick out examples of alteration and assonance. So, B, examples of alliteration are, first is home to heaven high, home to heaven high, and B is bridges free. And assonance are, home to heaven free, this downside is assonance. And this next is hushed and happy twilight, twilight heart, heard. And next is who in the hollow of his hand holds all the growth of all our land. Clear? So, these are your question answers. Clear? So, everyone note down these question answers in your notebook. So, this chapter is completed here. Okay? Part second is also completed. Poem is completed. So, next we start next new chapter. So, thank you and have a nice day.